Hello students, good morning. Today let's continue the lesson Expansion Formula from Standard 8 Maths. In the previous few classes, we have studied certain formulas. Expansion of x plus a and x plus b, expansion of a plus b cube and expansion of a minus b cube. Based on that, we have already studied 5.1, 5.2 and 5.3 practice set. Today we shall continue the fourth expansion formula, that is expansion of a plus b plus c whole cube, based on which we will solve few examples and you will solve practice set 5.4. So let's get started towards the formula. Originally, we have the formula to be proved a plus b plus c square. We have to find out what will be the solution after solving this expansion. So let's start with it. A plus b plus c square is equal to, as we have this whole bracket square, that means we have to multiply it with itself. So, a plus b plus c into a plus b plus c. This is equal to, same way like the formula 1, first component into whole bracket plus second component into whole bracket plus third component into whole bracket. So, a into a plus b plus c plus b into a plus b plus c plus c into a plus b plus c is equal to, a into a will give you a square plus a into b is ab plus a into c ac plus b into a becomes BA also or AB also. We will write it as AB plus B into B, B square plus B into C, BC plus C into A. You can write it as CA or AC also. So we will write it as AC plus C into B, BC also or CB also plus C into C, C square. This is equal to a square, b square and c square will remain same. ab plus ab will become 2ab. Why? Because this ab and this ab are same. The variables are same. As they have coefficient 1 here, 1 here. So it behaves like apple. This becomes 1 apple. This becomes 1 apple. 1 apple plus 1 apple will give you 2 apples. So that will result into 2ab. So a square plus b square plus c square plus this ab plus ab 2ab plus same way ac plus ac will give you 2ac plus bc plus bc will give you 2bc. Write it in proper way now. A square plus b square plus c square plus 2ab plus 2bc plus 2ac. Now I will show you without forgetting how to remember this quickly. We have three components a, b and c. We have to find out its whole square. So we will first make the square of all three individual terms and add them. So a square plus b square plus c square plus everywhere we are going to use now 2. Yes, 2, 2, 2. We will use everywhere 2. First 2, then second 2 and then first and last. Simply multiply. So 2ab plus 2bc plus 2ac. We obtained the final answer. So this is your required answer. A plus B plus C whole square is equal to A square plus B square plus C square plus 2AB plus 2BC plus 2AC. With the help of above formula of expansion, let's solve this example from practice set 5.4, textbook page number 28, question number 1, first example. Expand 2p plus q plus 5 whole square. You can make use of formula directly or you can solve it step by step. Let's solve it step by step now. What are we going to do? We will multiply the whole bracket by itself. So this is equal to 2p plus q plus 5 into again 2p plus q plus 5. This is equal to 2p into this whole bracket. First component into whole bracket plus second component into whole bracket plus third component into whole bracket. So 2p into 2p plus q plus 5 plus q into 2p plus q plus 5 plus 5 into 2p plus q plus 5 is equal to 2 2s are 4 p into p square plus 2 into, there is no number here, that means it is 1. So 2 into 1 will give you 2. P into q, p, q. These are all laws of indices which we already have studied in the previous class. 2 5s are 10. P into no variable, so p alone remains. Plus q into 2p. 2pq plus q into q, q square plus q into 5, 5q. Always remember that you write the number in the beginning and the letter later on. The number is called the coefficient and the letter is called as the variable in mathematical form. When they are in pairs of numbers and variables, numbers and letters, they are called as variables and coefficient. And if there is simply a number, for example like this 5 is simply a number, there is no letter with 5, so it is said as constant. At that time it is said as constant. Let's continue forward. 5 2s are 10p plus 5 into q, 5q plus 5 5s are 25. This is equal to, now see, according to the original example 2p plus q plus 5 whole square, we will have the individual squares of every component. 2p's square, then q's square, then 5's square. So we will have square of p, square of q and square of this simply a number. 2p square will be 4p square. So this number will remain same. Again q square will remain same and 5 5s are 25 we have here, that is 25. So that numbers will remain same. 4p square plus this q square plus this 25. Let's see now which other numbers can be added or subtracted. 2pq plus 2pq will give you 4pq. 10p plus 10p will give you 20p. Plus, we finished with pq, we finished with p. What is remaining now? 5q and 5q. As it is the symbol of addition, 5q plus 5q will give you 10q. So that's the final answer. See now, same like the earlier example in which we have studied the formula a square plus b square plus c square plus 2ab plus 2bc plus 2ac. Here also we are getting the answer in same form. 4p square plus q square plus 25 square. Square of 2p is 4p square. Square of q is the q square. Square of 5 is the 25. that is we are getting in the form of a square plus b square plus c square. Here 4pq is what now? Double of 2pq, 2 times ab. Then 2 times bc and 2 times ac. We obtain the same answer. That's the required answer. Thank you.